Hello everyone, thanks for joining RPGuru Tech Talk YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add exact trip amount for a train ride using a ticket vending machine at the train station. Take a look. The first thing I need to do is touch my Clipper card at the scanner. So I take my Clipper card and scan it. Once I do that, now it says there's nothing in the card. You want to add money, so I can use debit, credit or cash. So I'm going to use my credit card. So I'm going to swipe my credit card at that swiper, and once it does that, it says is it a credit card or a debit. I say credit card by clicking on the button next to it, and then by default it puts $20. I don't want $20, I want $14.70. So I use the subtract $1 button till it hits 15, and then I start subtracting 5 cents at a time till it hits $14.70. Once I reach that amount, I say now I'm going to accept the e-purse of $14.70 by clicking the button next to it. And once it's done, it says you're going to charge it. Say yes. Then now now I have to take my Clipper card and scan it, and it says you want a receipt. You say yes or no, and you're all set. Hope this helps.